I need you to stop buying, but you can sell. You can only sell. That's what Robinhood did, boy. I tell you, they did some bull. Whew. Still heated about that, okay? Today, I am, first and foremost, I am the money coach, baby. All right? I am here, the motivator, to let you know about the stock market, to encourage you, to motivate you to get into the stock market, baby, okay? And I've been promoting Robinhood for a while, okay, baby? But things have changed, okay? All right, let's get to the video, baby. Today's video is about Robinhood running out of money and causing a lot of things to happen into the stock market. They ran out of cash because there was too much bets going on with GameStop. Okay, they not even allowing people to fund their accounts because they don't have the money to cover those bets. So therefore, people couldn't invest into Dogecoin, AMC, GameStop, Nokia. All of those above was held because Robinhood didn't have no money, baby. First, they dropped the ball by stopping us from being able to buy and make trades. Then they ain't got enough money to let people still be able to invest. Come on, that's crazy. All right. Robinhood, in need of cash, raises $1 billion from its investors, baby. So they raise money for all of us, okay? The no-fee trading app, which is popular with young investors, has been stained, okay, by the high volume of trading in this week stocks such as GameStop, baby, okay? And this is according to the New York Times, baby. All right. Facing the onslaught of facing the onslaught of demands on its high cash amid a stock market frenzy, Robinhood, the online trading app, said on Thursday that it was raising an infusion of more than $1 billion from its existing investors. Okay, Robinhood, one of the biggest online brokerages, has grappled with an extraordinary high volume of trading this week as individual investors have piled into stocks like GameStop, baby, okay? The activity has put a strain on Robinhood, which has to pay customers who are owed money from trades, which posting additional cash to its clearing facility to insulate its trading partners from potential losses, okay? On Thursday, Robinhood was forced to stop customers from buying. I don't know about force, but they stopped customers from buying a number of stocks like GameStop, as were heavily traded this week. Okay, to continue operating, it drew a line of credit from six banks among between 5 million and 6 million to meet higher margin or leading requirements from its central clearing facility and stock trades. Okay. Robinhood still needed more cash quickly to ensure that it didn't have to place further limits on customers trading. But they still did, okay? Said two people briefed on the situation who asked to remain anonymous and negotiations was confidential, okay? Robinhood, which is privately held, contracted several of its investors, including the venture capital firms Sequoia Capital and Rebit Capital, a lot of capital people, which came together on Thursday night to offer emergency funding. They called emergency. Look at the thing, read the bill. We need money, okay? 5 people involved in the negotiation said that this is a strong sign of confidence from the investors that we will help us continue further serve our customers. All right, investors who have provided new financing to Robinhood will receive additional equity in the company. The investors will get that equity as a discounted valuation tied to the price of Robinhood shares when the company goes public. Okay, 2 people said Robinhood plans to hold an initial public offering this year. Okay, so they pretty much gave them a discount on the shares that they plan on going public. All right, Robinhood emergency fundraising is the latest sign of low trading in the stock market has been upended this week. Okay, it went crazy. An online army of investors who have been on a mission to challenge the dominance of Wall Street, the bull, the short stopping, the playing games, the pump and dump. Okay, that's what we're talking about. Rapidly build up the price from stocks like GameStop and trapping the big money hedge funds that had a bet against the stocks. Okay, some of these individual investors have reaped huge profits. Hey, while at least one major hedge fund had to be bailed out after facing huge losses, baby. So they had to be bailed out. Okay, Robinhood, which was based in Silicon Valley, has a key empowering to the online investors. They started Robinhood and they was promoted to the investors like me and you, saying, hey, you can fight with the big dogs. You can get with the big dogs. So go ahead and get Robinhood and we'll put you in the fight with the big dogs. Then they stopped us. They cop blocked us, baby. Okay. They do it without fees. They make money by passing on as customers' trades along to bigger brokerage firms. Okay. Like Citadel, which pay Robinhood for the chance to fulfill its customer stocks. Okay. And May Robinhood said it had 13 million users. This week, it became the most downloaded free app in Apple Store. So everybody was getting it. Okay. Everybody's trying to get Robinhood to get on this GameStop train. Critics have accused the company of encouraging people to gamble on stock market movements and make risks big losses, baby. Okay, brokers including TD Powell, Price, Schwab, and Fidelity have imitated Robinhood by lowering and trading fees to zero. Okay, many of these were also hit by the crush of trading this week. Okay, Robinhood has had no trouble raising the money over the last year, drawing $1.3 billion in venture capital. Okay, but they had some trouble this year in the beginning of 2021. Yet the company has faced many issues, including fines from regulators for misleading customers. In March, it raised money after its app went down and left customers stranded and nursing big losses, leading to still ongoing lawsuits. They still have a problem, ongoing lawsuits from back in March with the same kind of issue. Okay. In recent weeks, many online investors have used Robinhood to make bets that push the price of GameStop, AMC up, okay, or shorted it. Bet against hedge funds. They have changed on Thursday after the company encouraged customers trading in most popular stocks. They stopped us. As a brokerage firm, according to Robinhood, we have many financial requirements. Robinhood said that in the blog post. Man, some of these requirements fluctuate based on the volatility in the market and can be substantial in the current environment. Mic drop. Boo. Okay. In protest, hundreds of thousands of users joined a campaign to give Robinhood's app the lowest one-star review to drive the company's ratings down. Okay, so they dropping the ratings down. I dropped them down. Yes, because I'm upset with the app. They lied to me. Talking about they for the people and they for young investors to get in there to go against the big dogs. And as soon as I get my David versus Goliath moment, my time to shine, I got money in the bank. Sorry what you think. And I'm ready to go hard on Thursday. I already hit them up on Wednesday. Ready to go hard on Thursday. You won't stop me? Boy. Okay. So that's rough. Okay. I don't. That's my personal opinion, and give you what the news got up. But my personal opinion, they on some bull. I don't know. I don't like Robinhood, how they did us. To me, they cost thousands and millions, possibly, of dollars to investors. I lost money that I could have made. And then you go with the could have made. Who knows what I could have made? I bet it twice. I made a couple of bets on Wednesday and was straight and capped. Who's it said I couldn't do that same thing again on Thursday? And that could have been all I needed, which is that one more day to cap, and could have went all in and could have been straight. Who knows? But they stopped me and put a whole monkey wrench and everything, threw me all off. Okay, had me trying to go to Weeble and rearrange and trying to open up another account. Man, they threw me all off. So that's one of the reasons why a lot of things are going on. Some people can't invest into Dogecoin, AMC, GameStop, highly risky, all of those. Just want to let you know, I'm not a financial advisor, baby, just a money coach to come here, entertain you and give you some information about the stock market and what's going on, because it's going crazy right now, baby. It's like the stock market Olympics. I had to make about 5 videos trying to upload them and put them on there. Went live last night. It's going crazy. It's going crazy. So I'm on the road and I ain't hardly had that much sleep, so I might crash in a minute, take a little nap and get back into it, baby, because it's the Olympics. It's the Olympics ball game. Ain't no time to sleep. You know what I'm saying? I time to eat, and I've been eating, baby. So be blessed to invest in yourself. Give you an update on what and why Robinhood is cop blocking and holding people from being able to buy and do certain things. They ran out of cash, baby. They don't got no money. They ran out of cash. They already cop blocked us, and so many people downloaded the app and joined on this whole bandwagon. The most people probably in history. Okay, so therefore they dropped the ball again. So therefore they don't have no money. So now they waiting on the cash to come through and possibly limit people spending and stuff like that, so they don't get out of debt, getting people money that's winning. That's what you set up the app for. If you set up the app for me to be able to do my thing, let me do my thing. Don't stop me. Don't change nothing up. Don't get mad because somebody, the hedge funds is you know, oh my God, man, come on, crazy. I need you to stop buying, but you can sell. You can only sell. That's what Robinhood did, boy. I tell you, they did some bull. Whew. Still heated about that, okay? Today, I am, first and foremost, I am the money coach, baby. All right? I am here, the motivator, to let you know about the stock market, to encourage you, to motivate you to get into the stock market, baby, okay? And I've been promoting Robinhood for a while, okay, baby? But things have changed, okay? All right, let's get to the video, baby. Today's video is about Robinhood running out of money and causing a lot of things to happen into the stock market. They ran out of cash because there was too much bets going on with GameStop. Okay, they not even allowing people to fund their accounts because they don't have the money to cover those bets. So therefore, people couldn't invest into Dogecoin, AMC, GameStop, Nokia. All of those above was held because Robinhood didn't have no money, baby. First, they dropped the ball by stopping us from being able to buy and make trades. Then they ain't got enough money to let people still be able to invest. Come on, that's crazy. All right, Robinhood in need of cash raises $1 billion from its investors, baby. So they raising money for all of us, okay? The no-fee trading app, which is popular with young investors, has been stained, okay, by the high volume of trading in this week stocks such as GameStop, baby, okay? And this is according to the New York Times, baby, all right? Facing the onslaught of okay?